Well, hey there, chili heads, friends and fans. Like I told you before, gonna do another video tonight, another sauce video. Tonight's, this video's specimen is, oh yeah, Motor City Barbecue original recipe. Rundown on the ingredients. We have tomato concentrates, distilled vinegar, mustard seed, honey, molasses, sugar, brown sugar, salt, pepper, natural hickory smoke flavor, and seasonings. Yeah, we have 34 milligrams of sodium. So yeah, been waiting quite a while to try this. I've had these bottles for about a week and a half now. Just really haven't gotten to it. But yeah, check these guys. Check this out on their website, www.motorcitybarbecue.com. You can also find them on Facebook at www.facebook.com/MotorCityBarbecue. I will put both those links down in the description. Very nice smell. You can pick up on that tomato concentrate and that hickory smoke. Smells nice and sweet. So yeah, give it another good shake. I like the look of the bottle. It kind of looks like a car wax bottle, but yeah, very cool. So nice consistency, almost like a glaze. All right, so here you can see the sauce. Excellent. Oh my. That is delicious. Can pick up on that molasses and the brown sugar and the honey. There is no heat. The original barbecue, I mean, there's no heat. This is as mild as it gets. Yeah, you can definitely pick up on that sugar, brown sugar, molasses. You don't even you don't taste the vinegar. Kind of a little bit on the tomato concentrate, and definitely that natural hickory smoke flavor. Definitely gotta try this stuff. Man, I'm telling you what, that is amazing flavor. This would be so good with some on some pulled pork, chops, chicken, burgers, you name it, brisket, ribs. Oh, I would almost put this on cereal. It is so good. Like I said, there is no heat whatsoever. This is mild. Alright. Oh, that is delicious. I could drink that bottle. I seriously could drink this bottle. But yeah, on flavor, flavor's gonna be up there. I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10 on flavor. Of course, there's there's no heat, there's no chilies whatsoever, so we'll give it a 0 on heat. But yeah, definitely check out their website. Like I said before, www.motorcitybarbecue.com. You can find them on Facebook. I will put both them links down in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Thank you very much for sending this to me, guys. I greatly appreciate it. And I will see you in a little bit with another sauce review. See ya.